Hey guys, it's Saturday, February 10th, 2018, and I'm going to start while I'm doing my research and everything. I'm going to film, so it's going to be a lot easier for me to do some videos for you guys, because it takes a lot of time for me to do my research and film it and everything. So I'm just going to do it as we go along. So what I've been doing um, is following um, cryptocurrency, and right now there's a big buzz around it. So I've been doing a lot of research to see when should I buy in, and when should I hold and then sell. So it's looks like a really good opportunity for someone to make some money on this. So it's a great opportunity. So I want to take advantage of it. All right. So right now the market, the December and January, Bitcoin and everything took a huge sky ride. It rocketed to the moon and all that. So right now, it caught my attention. So I just want to kind of cash in on that. So yeah. So recently, since the December January spike, it's been a downfall because I think, like I said in my previous video, I think that somebody came in here, pumped it, and now they sold, and now they're out, and they're whoever that big player is has left, and now we're all the guys that bought in late are kind of dreadful right now. But there's still a lot of opportunities and money to be made if you know what you're doing. Luckily, I didn't buy in at the big hype. Um, but I tell you what, I did get suckered by those BitConnect guys. So, things, that's just how it is. Sometimes you just got to eat it up, when you're investing. Luckily, not too much. Um, so just a little bit by myself, you know, um, I bought in with Ripple at 70 cents back in December, and then I sold at $3. So actually, I'm still up, as far as my investments in cryptocurrency. Um, but yeah, it's gonna be a scary year for a financial system in general, the economy, because you have the U.S. market, you have cryptocurrency now into play, and the stocks. I don't know, it's looking shaky this year. Hopefully, we don't hit a pitfall, um, you know, and start kind of crashing. That would not be good for us. So um, today, actually, I want to show you. So during the market crash and all that, or when it's trending low, it's hard to be in long term. So you got to take advantage of cryptocurrency in short terms and in short spikes. So that's what I'm trying to do some research, and as well with the altcoins, because there's a lot of altcoins that you do not know, but then for some reason they take a huge spike, like huge spike, while the other coins, and these coins you do not know, you never heard of. So what I do is actually I go and do some research um, on the coin market cap, and I'm going to show you guys. So I'm on coinmarketcap.com, right? And I actually look at the 7-day trends, gainers. See that? See that? So you got these coins that, you don't even have a website for, or some of those coins. And that's impossible to track. These websites or these coins, you're not going to know who they are and what they do. So I wouldn't really pay attention to those. I got this from another YouTuber. He said those are Illuminati coins, which means that, somebody is just going in and pumping those and just dumping those real quick. So yeah, so you really can't pay attention to this. Like this one is up 1,334.75%. And that's impossible. Like those coins, you're not gonna invest in those coins, 'cause that's impossible to kind of track, and plus you don't really know, their market cap, circulating supply, and all that. So you want to stay away from those. I would recommend staying away from those. I mean, of course, you can do what you want to do, but I would stay away from those. But there's some legit coins like that have a website. I would first, make sure they have a website, like Score 'em. I did some, so these are a good time to kind of do research, and because blockchain is the future, right? So you're gonna do some research and see what will make sense. Like I told you in my last video, you have to use case scenarios of best use case for this technology. So basically, that's what you do. That's what you do. So you have to invest where the technology makes sense. Like for this one, for instance, this is Score 'em. A couple of days ago, this was, trending, gaming, right? So you want to do some research. I don't know what it is today, but let me check today really quickly. Wow, see, like, let me check it out. What is the symbol for this? Score 'em. SCR. 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 Wow, they're not even on here. Unless that was an ICO. Okay, that was an ICO I was looking into. So a lot of times I would look into a lot of these, these banner ads, these ICOs, and see if it's a good opportunity to invest, because honestly, these ICOs, like, once they hit the market, they go from like 4 times of the price where they sold it from the ICO. So actually, this is one I'm looking into. I'm sorry about that. Score 'em. I'm just looking at the ICO crowd sale. See if it makes sense. And this one looks like a good project. All right, so here's another one that I was following the other day called Yellowtail, and it's up 300%. Well, that was from that day, but let's see what today is like. I know he was in a huge gain the other day. So let's take a look at that. Yellowtail, here it is. So, like for instance, this is 181 in the last 24 hours. It's failing, but if you were smart and you would get in when it's rising, I guess you just saw something that to track this and try to get it while it's rising, and then when it's falling, just dump it, and then you make a couple extra bucks on the side. So but I would recommend looking at 3 things. All right, first, I would recommend looking at volume, 24 hours, percentage in 1 hour, and percentage in 24 hours. So, and circulating supply. So making sure there is a circulating supply and actually a market cap. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things are really important to me. If I feel like if it's going upwards on a trend level, then that's a good sign. If you buy on the first day, that's trending, and the hourly and the 24 hourly, that's a really good sign. As soon as you see a dip in the 1 hour, that's when I think you should start selling them. So, these are my opinions and thoughts. You don't have to take it too serious. Of course, I'm just sharing you my thoughts. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just researching on some of these. So, Yellowtail, Surely, Wager is another one. Else I'm doing some research, and it's time consuming, but it's kind of educational and it's fun for me. I really like this space of technology and the new age and seeing how I can make some money from it. Yeah, so this is a platform to wage, like, to make bets and stuff, and on a blockchain level. So that's pretty cool. Paypex, I really haven't got a chance to look that up. Some more here. What is this one? this one. Okay, this one's Global Tor Coin, which is another one I was looking at. Advanced 2-tier encryption. And I guess it's supposed to like be a world, you know, a world digital currency. Global Tor Coin. So it's supposed to be like something that everybody in the world can use. Like you see, there's 134 countries participating. And you gotta do some research on it. You don't have to really take what the website says. And this is another one that was interesting. This is the Abd Join coin. And that's the African coin. So people are apparently in Africa, really utilizing this. And so I thought that was interesting. And they have their own exchange and everything. So that was really interesting. I mean, it's down today. Let me see. But if that's what people in Africa are using, switching to this, there you go. Look at this. Oh wow, look, see. So here's a coin, perfect example I was talking about. It's up today, 56%. Now that's a lot. That's a lot of gain. Obviously, if you came in, let's look at the 7-day trend, right? 7-day trend. And these coins are like really inexpensive. So if you can even buy 20 bucks worth, and you just play around with that, you can come off, 50% richer, basically. So look at that. It was at 18 cents. And now it's at 29 cents. So if you bought, that's a good gain. And you just got to actually follow them and kind of know when to go in. At its highest peak, it was almost $1. So look at that. That's incredible, If you would have bought at 20 cents, you would have got 80 cents out of it. That's a lot of potential gain. So that's what I've been doing as far as researching these coins. It looks like it's having highs, like these spikes, and then it just drops. So somebody is influencing this, and like somebody's buying in and then holding, and selling back out. See? So you would assume that right now it's going to go back to, the peak level, 29, it's a lot. This was at 31. Yeah, so I would recommend maybe waiting it to jump back down. I guess they call that candlestick trading, when you're trading and it's like very low and then you see a big boom. That's when you sell it. That's a really good way to make money off of these. And I'm just learning. I'm just doing research and learning, obviously. And a lot of people that are out there like me, so I just want to share this with them. But I've been doing a lot of research, as far as what these coins are, why if they have a website, if these tech coins, another one. I'm not sure if it's gonna be, huge. But let's go back to the original chart. This is some things this is my channel, obviously, but let's see what today is on a good path, okay? So I'm not liking this 24-hour. That means it's falling right now. So actually, it's not a good time to buy in. But in the last hour, it went up. So, and this is really tricky. I don't know if it's something I would honestly put my money in but if you're risky, player, you can make a lot of money on these. So let's look at one that's legit that I think is good today. Like this one. All right. Rupiah. I just started recording, guys. I'm sorry, kind of low budget here, but I just started recording, making my video. So once I feel there's a need to upgrade and all that, I'll do that. But look at this. Yeah, look at this. It's It's a real coin, so you know, because just by the trending volume, look at that, right? Um, Go to his website. Let's check out what this coin is all about. And while that's loading, I like to look at the 7-day period. That's how you can get really nitty gritty with these. So it's on an upscale. See? So 10 cents. Wow, so this was at 3 cents on, this morning. Wow, so you would have bought in 7 cents, 3 cents, 7 cents. Average, and then something happened. Somebody dumped and pumped a lot of these. And let's look at the 1 month, the average of what this really is cost. All right, so wow, this highest point was 11. It went, yeah, so 11 cents is the highest peak. And it's looking like it's about to reach that right now with the 10. So, I wouldn't buy in right now at this coin. I would honestly wait. Looking at his, at his pattern, I would go in at 5 cents or even 4 cents or even 2 cents. So this was back on, nope. So it's not going to hit that 2 cents barrier again. But we'll hit that 3 cent barrier again. So that's not bad. I think this is something that, oh, here's that score. That's what I was looking at. All right. So let's get the website. What is this to do? Is this a legit cryptocurrency? Okay, so crypto of Southeast Asia. So it's looking like Rupiah is probably from India. It sounds like a Rupos. Don't get me, I don't know. Maybe it's not, but that's what it just looks like. Let's go down. Rupiah coin seeks to be the most popular cryptocurrency in Southeast Asia, rewarding all users for strengthening the network by giving them a 10% annual return. Rupex return when minting. So what is minting? So that's something new. I know what mining is. What is minting? Chat with the community. Newcomers, 10%. Merchants, okay, some transactional. Put your mining equipment to good. Developers. Okay, let's look at some of the other things. Investors. Let's look at investors. So this has a website, so that's something that you'd look for because you want to see if it's a legit company, right? And that's what's important. So investors, established network, 2014, oldest, most reliable cryptocurrency networks existence. Okay, so it's been around, guys. So this is not bad. See, so and you also get 10%. After rupees are held for 8 hours, they are eligible to earn 10% annual rewards. Learn more about minting, or you can also get started by buying coins for one of many peer coin exchange. Okay. Interesting. So yeah, this is something. I think is you need time with kind of these things because let's see what minting is because I kind of, mining is something, but what is minting? That's interesting. Has a wallet, I can see. And it has a hard fork coming. Very interesting. Let's see what minting is. Well, that's loading. Let's take a look at... Let me get some rid of these. These are... I have a Twitter, guys. Tweet on Fong. So feel free to, follow me. I'm not really doing anything with Twitter right now. Hopefully when my brand grows, we'll do some more stuff with that. And you guys can follow me. So minting, here it is. Mint anywhere. Most crypto coin mine requires specialized hardware. But Rupiah minting can be done on any computer. Minting is energy efficient because it's based on the Rupiah you hold rather than your processor's processing power. Okay. Each time you mint generates a block, your coin helps guard the network. Militia user. Wow, sounds interesting. Okay, so you can basically do this on your computer. This is a pretty good project so far. It's been around 2016. Cool. So I'm gonna read some more about that. Just sharing with you guys, you know. So I'll do some more research about that. But yeah, so that's a prime example of a coin that I would do some research on. So it's up 79% today. Let's say 80. That's a lot. Like I said, it's probably going to hit that 11 because just, you know, previous history. So this is last month. Let's do 3 months. Let's see where this goes. Let's see if it has a hit anywhere between 15 and 20 cents. Because then you'll even have a bigger gain. All right, so as high as it's been 13 cents, guys. So I also followed the volume. Some smart traders told me that if there's not enough volume, you know, backing this up in its market cap, then it's not going anywhere. So there has to be volume. It has to be, you know, a good market cap that people are utilizing this technology. And yeah, so circulating supply is 6 million, right? And max supply is only 8. So that's wow. It's almost at max capacity. I don't know, guys. I mean, hopefully it'll be more. You know, hopefully. I mean, once this runs out, then what people are gonna use. So it's right now. It's at 600,000. So I would say the best, if its max supply of 8,400,000, then I would say its market capacity only can reach to what? 1 million? I mean, like, you know, 1,200,000. I don't know. That's pretty weird. That's something I see. So the more you do research, you gotta keep your eyes and ears open to this type of thing. So that's just one coin. Let's look at some other ones. So right now, Philocone, which is a guy that does charts and stuff on YouTube. You guys can subscribe to his channel. I've been following his channel. Hopefully he'll follow me one day. I get big enough where he can follow me and just, you know, shout me out. That'd be cool. But he's up there. He's, you know, he has a social media and everything. Everybody following him. But he actually does some good analysis on these charts and stuff. So I've been following him. He's saying that Bitcoin is going to hit a rock bottom target of 5 to 6. Let's see how that goes. I mean, it's been rising the last couple of days. Somebody's been pumping it to try to keep at this price, but I don't think they can do that. You know, the market will follow because he's saying the volume is not there. So that's something to keep in mind. Ripple, it's been going up last 24 hours, but it's actually declining now. So I'm waiting to jump back in Ripple too and Cardano. It's really interesting to me that Cardano is above Litecoin now. Do you see that? So, you know, on Coinbase, it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and I think it's a Bitcoin Cash, yeah. And surprisingly, like Cardano has a bigger market cap than Litecoin right now. That's pretty something that you should, I don't know what that means, but you should something to keep your eye on. Because I like the Cardano project. I like it. You know, they said that the owner or the co-owner of Ethereum is the creator of Cardano, and it's more scalable and all that and this, but you got to do your own research. Apparently, it's still not up yet, like Ethereum is. So I think that's where Ethereum, you know, honestly, this price and Bitcoin really held their value. I can agree with a lot of the YouTuber experts because looking, you know, Buzz Altcoin and all those guys, Decentralized, that guy Peter, he's saying, or they're saying, Buzz Altcoin is saying that Litecoin and held their value. So, I mean, Bitcoin dropped dramatically, but these guys, they've been around this area for a long time, and they don't, you know, so they don't mind this area. As of December 2017, they were at this price level. So, and honestly, this is a good time for the people to buy in the dip. They really say that, but you know what? This is a good time to do your research. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing my research on all the coins and seeing what's a good technology to buy in. You know, because you really don't invest. You know, short term you can invest on these numbers and everything in these charts, but long term, you really want to look at the technology. And that's what I'm doing. I'm looking at the technology. What's funny to me? There's a President Trump coin. I want to show you guys this. Where is it? I seen it the other day. That was pretty funny to me. And it was like, here it is. Look at this guy, President Trump. I mean, obviously, or Johnson. Where's President Trump coin? Oh, man, I found that really funny. Yeah. So, I mean, obviously, you can make a coin out of anything these days, but yeah, it's not on here no more. I guess that's another Illuminati coin, quote unquote. But that's funny, right? I guess I can't find it. It's alright, guys. It's in here though. But yeah, this is a good time to kind of see what coins or what. Women coin. Look at that. Women coin actually has a substantially real, you know, market, because look, it has all the correct numbers, have a supply, market cap. Let's check if I have a website. If it has a website, then it's, you know, I would, you know, think it's a legit project. So let's go down on Woman Coin. Just for fun. I mean, honestly, look, it's less than a cent. So it's crazy the money you can actually make. Look at this. You know, it was at 2 cents the most at one point. But yeah, let's check out what this is. It's probably something like charity for women or something, but let's check it out what it is. Now let me take this off. And then I think it's interesting, all these coins. So I just want to kind of give you guys overview of what I do every day. Maybe it's more of a hobby than making more an investment, but either or, it's both educational. Look at this. So made for us women. It's a women coin. World digital currency for women. So I guess exclusively for women. I mean, you can buy it as an investment. Look at the roadmap. Here's the roadmap. 2017, December 18, development of bilingual promotion kit. Add to 6th exchange. Social media bounty plan. So I guess this is like kind of a business woman coin thing for exclusively, you know, for women. Women coin is our self-made digital currency. So yeah, this is a real project. I mean, it has a website, legit, you know, and it's up 144%. Look at that. Volume, it has a market cap of almost 100. So yeah, I mean, if this is a quick buy and dump thing, is awesome. You know, you can buy in. And so right now it's on a gaining trend, which I mean I wouldn't buy now, but look at that. February 10th, Saturday. So this morning, it was at all-time high of not all-time high, but 0.003. Now it's going back down. So all you need with these like less than a penny coins, all you need to hit is a penny. And then you're like stupid rich. Well, not rich, but you know, good decent amount. So you buy like $10 and it hits $100 right there in your pockets. You know. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, this is what I do, just following some coins, just for fun, and kind of. Now Steam is another one I like the project, because I think it's taken over. It's like Telegram and Facebook, but Steam has as far as the cryptocurrency world, Steam is, I would say Steam is the Facebook of cryptocurrency world. And that's huge. I mean, that's the next generation of people. Um, and you never know. Facebook better start making its own coins, which is in the rumors that it's going to be doing. But you don't know. Steam might take some, because that's where you read your cryptocurrency news, right? And what if in the future everything is cryptocurrency, which I don't see that, that is a possibility. That's a huge possibility. So I would even invest in some Steam right now. It's at 422. Also has some Steam coins. I know that. There's Steam and there's Steam coins, SBD, which are two different things actually. And that's kind of let me don't quote me on that actually, because I saw SBD. Let me go to Steam real quick just to let me go to Steam real quick. Yeah, so there's Steam and there's another one that Steam does. Let's just do a search real quick for it. Yeah, Steam dollars. That's the thing. So Steam dollars, I think I saw it going up. Look at that, 22%. So Steam, the company itself, and the Steam dollars, that's pretty cool. So at one point, this was at $13, guys. Right? And that is pretty cool. It was at $22 for a day. And then it just dropped down. That's ooch. Whoever bought that, whoever pumped it actually maybe had a potential need for it at that time. But look at this. This was interesting. The market cap for it is growing. And so I feel like usually when I feel like this should go hand in hand, which which is a good sign. It's a really good sign when the market cap is higher than its product. Because that means that the product has to eventually even out with the market cap. That's how I feel. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's just my kind of analysis. It's up 22% now. Something to keep an eye on. So yeah, that's what I do as far as my research. Looking at all these different technologies and these prices. And it's not the more I research, the more I learn about a new coin or a new technology. So it's good. It's kind of educational at the same time. It's an investment, Investing in education is never a bad idea. It's the best thing you can do. You can definitely learn yourself these days. Everything's on YouTube, right? So we have the advantage of that as far as the 2000. Because back when when we were younger, we didn't have all this. So now, I mean, if you can learn this stuff on your own, why wouldn't you? That's kind of crazy. Like, why you're not taking advantage of the situation and learning? Like SIA Coin. I like the SIA Coin project. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing a lot of research, guys. So, yeah. Thanks for listening. Hopefully that was better and educational and, the good stuff and not just wasting your time. But thanks for watching. All right. Leave comments below and let me know what you think. Please subscribe. I need more subscribers. I'm probably like the only one talking to myself right now. But people have to start somewhere, right? So hopefully when I'm famous, you guys look back on this video and be like, oh, he was still cool back then. Just kidding. All right, guys. Thanks for listening. You guys have a great day and smart investing. All right. Bye-bye.